Motorola Moto E5 Plus, and let me show you how to insert here Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose here power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to find the slot to your cards. The slot should be located at the left edge of the device right here. So let's just simply use some thumb tack, special eject tool, or simply the paper pin to open this slot. Let me show you. Here I have paper pin. Simply press this hole right here, and now you can remove the whole tray. Here you can insert two Nano SIM cards and micro SD. So let's start with the Nano SIM card. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright, this is the first card. Now let me use the second one. So let me just find my card. Here I have my card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put it that way. Alright, now we've got two cards prepared. Now let's insert the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. And this is the properly prepared slot. Let me just repair my card. Alright. And now you are ready to put the whole thing into your device. Let me just press it right here. If you have everything correctly inserted, you can press it to the end. Alright. Now let's press power key to switch on the device. Wait a couple of seconds. Alright, here you can unlock the screen. Let's here open the list of all apps, choose settings, scroll down and simply find and select here network and internet. Tap here the SIM cards. As you may notice, both cards are working correctly. So let's go back here, let's find and select the storage, and here you've got information about your portable storage. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.